Do you have a lot of old screenshots sitting in your gallery? Your Galaxy S26 Ultra can help you find screenshots that you may no longer need, so you can clean them up more easily. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Device Care. Tap Storage. Under the Suggestion section, you might see a suggestion to review your old screenshot. If you don't see it, you can tap View More to see more additional suggestions. Tap Review All Screenshot. Here, you will see screenshots that haven't been edited in the past 30 days. You can select individual screenshots that you no longer need. Or if you want to select all of them, you can tap the radio button at the top. Once you have made your selection, tap Delete at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. The selected screenshot will be permanently deleted from the gallery app, so make sure you review them carefully before deleting them. And that's how to clean up old screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.